Hi guys, welcome to Jazz Journey. Guys, I am so excited. Today we are doing an unboxing, and when I got the box I thought it was base, but it's not. It's premium. I'm glad that the boxes are coming a little smaller because it was before there was so much space. So as you can see, I don't have my eye makeup on because when I opened it I received a palette that I was so excited to get, and we're gonna do it together. So yeah, I'm gonna play with this palette on this video. So if you guys want to see how I do this eye makeup look, maybe I might give you a sneak peek how it's gonna come out. You probably saw it in the thumbnail already, and also you want to see an unboxing to see which variation I received. Just keep on watching. So guys, how exciting it is. I was not sure what theme it was going to be, and the theme is all about the month of November, and I'm so glad of the colors, of how glam. I think it looks pretty glam, right? It looks really gold with a little bit of light, and it says it's giving giftable glam. So pretty, so perfect for the month of November. And this is something I know because November is my birthday month, and the stone that we have for November is topaz, and it's actually a color like this. So I think they nailed it on that. I don't know if it was on purpose, but they nailed it. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and get started already with the palette, and then we're going to continue with doing the unboxing so I could share what I received. And so guys, here it is. Dominique cosmetic. It's called The Moment, and when you open it on the side, it's just going to tell you no matter which way you look at it, it's going to give you a positive message. How cute is that? And then when you open it over here as well, you get that same message. So letting go is the key to happiness, and it's called The Moment. How pretty is this? This is very different than her other palettes, but guys, once you open it, look at these colors. So it says the retail value for this palette is $49. I think that is the basic price that we get from her palettes. Overall, I do like the pans look a little bigger. I feel like there is more colors here. Hopefully that's the case, and I always love that it comes with a mirror as well. So yeah guys, you will get to see some warm tones with very cool tones, and most of the cool tones here are basically the shimmer shade. So I think I'm just gonna get a very small, precise, a blendable brush, but it's a lot smaller, just to pick the product and start warming up the crease. And yeah, I need the mirror. Yep, now we are pretty close. So I want to start with the tone Essential. I think I'm going to start with Essential. Maybe I should start with this one, but it's a little bit different than what I'm used to. So I think I'm going to start with that, Stepping Out. I'm stepping out to try something new, and we're going to be using Stepping Out. So I'm going to just warm it up. Oh, it's pretty pigmented, you guys. I'm just gonna use another brush to just kind of like blend it out. So I'm just gonna pick a little bit more of that Stepping Out, and I'm just gonna go up and down, up and down. Ooh, this guys, this is really intense. This is really, so I'm just blending back and forth, and I'm just trying to build the crease, but building it upward. I like to cover a little bit more of that close to the brow bone. I don't want it to look kind of empty, you know. So once I'm happy with the brow bone section, which I am right now, then I could just go ahead and go back to building the crease right here. So I'm just gonna go back to that same brush, and I'm just gonna grab a darker tone, and that is going to be Essential. This is almost like something that I always gravitate to. I feel comfortable and safe with that shade. Go back and forth. I'm gonna go back to Stepping Out and add that as well to the crease. Then I'm gonna get the darker. So I want to play with all of the matte shades in this palette today, and we're gonna add this to the crease and build this guy up right here in the center, and then we're just gonna bring it up more towards the center, then from the corner to the center as well, going back and forth. I think all those colors, they blend really nice so far. I don't feel anything that's patchy or hard to blend, and I have used so far 3 colors. So I'm going to add more of the Elevated, which is a darker brown, and build that in. And then I'm gonna go back to Stepping Out, which is that soft, and I'm gonna add that in the top. Ooh, I'm liking it. What do you guys think? So with a more flat brush, I'm gonna try to pick this color here, and this one's called Embrace. Add on both sides, and hopefully this color picks up. Oh, it's working. Okay, so I think I'm going to use that color. I'm going to use Mesmerize. Look how pretty that color is. So I'm going to put this right on top of the white. So pretty, you guys. Next, we are going to use Life of the Party. So we're going to use this nice blue. I am so impressed with these swatches. I'm going to put that right in the middle. Midnight Haze. And to blend it out, we're going to go back to that brush and to this color here. Elevate it. Guys, I'm impressed with this palette. So I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, and then we could just go ahead and finish and actually start the unboxing. Hi guys, welcome back. Already finished my makeup. I did apply the mascara that, oops, almost a spoiler right there, the mascara I received, and I also applied something else that I received. Yes, I'm actually trying out some of the products from this box. So yeah, the first one we tried was the palette. I already did a makeup showing you guys the palette. What do I think about it? $49 is usually the price. It's pretty big, and I noticed every time I will pick the product, it will have like a fallout there, but it just went away. Did not make a mess in my face. I think I tried most of the products here. It's such a great palette. It's very nice and wild to have those colors I usually don't play with all in one palette. So yeah guys, I like that. Let me know you guys selected this as your choice item. Next, the item that I received was the mascara. I did apply this mascara. This one's from Complex Culture, and this is called Executive Level Mascara. When I saw that name, I was like, oh, this is interesting. Executive Level. I worked in the corporate world, and anytime you think about executive, you think about really important people. I don't know, it just took me to that world, and it does look very luxe, very different. This one retails for $28, and this is going to define, it's going to lift your lashes, it's going to give you volume, it's going to nourish your lashes, but also it's going to condition it. And something that I like, one of the ingredients that is key in this product that I like, that is also antioxidant. I never thought about applying antioxidant on my lashes. That was pretty interesting. So I have extract of orange, mandarin, mango, and goji. It's a mixed scent to it, like what mascaras kind of smell like, but also something kind of sweet. I don't know, but I don't smell that afterwards. So this is the one I'm wearing. It felt kind of wet at first, and it dries really quickly, but I don't know about the price, $28. The next item that I did try, I have it on right now, and it's Rare Beauty with Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. It's a lip balm. It has a little tint. This is the second one that I have. So pretty. It's a lip balm. The other one, for some reason, anytime I put it on, it smells like if I'm applying sunscreen on or sunblock. This one retails for $16. So it's not greasy, it's not sticky. It's one of their claims, and it's so true. Pretty nice, guys. And that one retails for $16. And next, I think we're more than halfway up in our box. The next item is, I should have tried this, Saint Lux Morganite and Carnelian Gel Lip Liner Duo. This one retails $30. This is the new item, so this is the new launch. So super excited that we get to try something new. 2 shades, but it's a shades that you tend to use. It's more like a pop of color, and then you get the neutral tones. When I did the swatches, it did feel very soft, but I feel like we keep getting some lip liners, so I don't know if I need more lip liners, you guys. And it's usually the same colors. On this variation, I received Avant Skincare. Anytime we get this brand, I don't know why it's so expensive. This one retails, guys, for $134, and the packaging is very simple. It doesn't look like it brings a lot of product. This one is a deluxe hyaluronic acid vivifying face and eye night, and face and eye is a night cream. Feels like water. It just goes on very nice. It hydrated my skin for a whole day. I washed my hand the next day, and I still felt the hydration in that area. But I do like that it's also safe enough to put it around your eyes. Sometimes I could apply a moisturizer and it's not great around the eye areas, because when you touch your eyes and you scratch, it kind of like irritates your eyes a little bit. But this one will be safe and great for the night, which I love that. I don't know what to think about the price, but I'm glad that it came in the box and I get to try it. Next, you guys, we have Pericomb MD. I think this is the last item in my box. Pericomb MD no rinse micellar cleansing treatment, $45 for a micellar cleansing. But this is not just cleansing, this is a treatment. And what it's trying to say that this is 3-in-1. This is going to act like your makeup remover, which is what you get from micellar water, but it also going to work as a cleanser, but also act like a toner. So those nights that you're in a hurry and just want to remove your makeup and you don't have that much time, you're super tired, you just want to go to bed, but you want to remove your makeup because you want to do the right thing, this is perfect. I tried it last night. I tried half of my face using the micellar water from Pericomb MD, the cleansing treatment. I used it, and then I did my other side off camera using the balm that I use at night. I believe it's from Glow Recipe, and let me tell you, Glow Recipe is my go-to balm. So is Pharmacy, and my face after I put the balm felt so oily, so greasy, so heavy. And of course you have to rinse it out, you have to remove the makeup. But this one, just using the pads with the treatment, it felt really nice. You didn't have to put a lot at all. It removed all of my makeup. It felt so nice, so lightweight, so hydrated. I was impressed with this treatment. I'm not a fan of micellar water, but this one I was very impressed. I did the cleanser and I feel like I didn't need the cleanser, and I did not get any negative reactions. I'm excited for this. I'm excited to try it. I have tried Pericomb MD before. It's great for sensitive skin. It's just the price is so expensive, but I'm glad that we get it in the box. So guys, here's my box for the month of November. The retail value for my box is $302. I love my box. I feel like now we're getting more makeup, a little bit of skincare. Lately, I am surprised. I don't know if you guys have noticed the change lately. I don't know if it's me. Let me know in the comment section if you have noticed that too, and if you like that change. So thank you guys for spending some of your time with me doing this unboxing. I am so excited with this box. I feel like they're killing it with the premium box. They are listening, and let me know what you think of this variation. So thank you guys again, and until the next video. Bye.